Welcome to this tutorial on how to correctly activate your Monzo card in 2025. Activating your Monzo card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, download and install the Monzo app from the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you have installed the app, open it and tap on the Get Started button. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number and create a password for your account. Next, enter the activation code that was sent to you via email or text message when you ordered your Monzo card. This code is used to verify your identity and link your card to your account. After you have entered the activation code, you will be asked to add your Monzo card to your digital wallet. This will allow you to make contactless payments and manage your account on the go. To add your card to your digital wallet, tap on the Add to Wallet button and follow the prompts. Now, let's talk about security. To keep your account and card secure, make sure to set up a PIN for your card and enable two-factor authentication in the Monzo app. This will add an extra layer of protection to your account and prevent unauthorized access. Finally, once you have completed the activation process, you can start using your Monzo card to make purchases and manage your finances. You can use the Monzo app to track your spending, set budgeting goals, and receive real-time notifications about your account activity. In conclusion, activating your Monzo card is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the necessary security precautions, you can start using your Monzo card with confidence and take control of your finances. Remember to always keep your account and card information secure and up to date to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience with your Monzo card.